Let's talk about assembling a DCP W900A hood. This can be kind of a pain in the butt because there's just a lot of tiny parts. Let's talk about these headlights right here. These headlights will have a peg that extends out the back of that piece of plastic there by my finger, and it's hard to get lined up inside those holes in the hood. So what I've done here is I've taken a little bit of Formula 560. It's like Elmer's glue on steroids. I cut that pin off, and then I'm going to set it in there, and it's just going to go in like butter. It is so simple to do. Then I've taken a drill bit and I've drilled out these holes where the mounting pegs go on the grill, and then also there's two turn signals, one here, or whatever they are, little lights that go in those two holes. I've drilled those out as well. Now it's going to make the whole process a lot easier, again using this to assemble because it dries clear. All right, go get them.